was such a lovely day, perfectly suitable for a ride. So we jumped on our bikes and left our cat Herzl to take care of the house. We gathered our friends and rode from Tel Aviv to Ramat Chovav, where we all got together.
Good morning, Massimo. Say hi.
Hey, buongiorno. What's a fun to wake up in the morning and to come with a motorcycle to the desert. It's open your mind, it's open your heart.
This is Massimo. Stefan, my friend. Hello, come say hi. Everybody knows you now. Okay, we are now on our way to road number 10. This is a very special and spectacular road that is being opened only twice a year. It goes along the border with Egypt, and it is very unique because it goes in the desert and it's just beautiful. So we gathered all this group here with all the motorcycles. You will see plenty of them around on the road because it's like a festival going. This road is will take you until Eilat, but we are not going to go all the way. Yael has a new motorcycle, so the boys are now checking everything to make sure it's okay. Along the way there will be no gas stations, so as you can see here in my tank I have got some fuel with me.
From Ramat Chovav, we rode to Nitzana Junction.
How many motorcycles came to this road?
As we left the last gas station before entering route number 10, I just stopped to make sure that everybody was there and then we did not miss anybody. Along the way, we had to pass a few checkpoints of the army just to make sure that everything is okay. They were very nice and they equip us with some information about the road.
Okay, and this is the beginning of route number 10. The first checkpoint. All the group is behind me. This is quite a nice scene. As we start, I think it's a good time to give you some COVID updates. Last time we talked, it was like 1 month ago. We've been released from the second lockdown. Numbers of people who are getting sick are getting bigger every day. So there is a talk here about a third lockdown. But the good news is that we are about to get some vaccines soon, and I hope that next week I will get mine, the first injection. This is the Pfizer vaccine. So it seems that shortly we'll be out of this mess. Anyway, there's not much to say about this road. It's just that it is usually closed most time of the year because of the border and all the activity here. But twice a year they open it up for civilians, and this is why so many people come here in order to admire the scenery, the desert, and the road itself. It's so beautiful because it's twisted and it's long, and there's nobody here, no civilization at all. So all you have to do now is just to lay back and enjoy the ride, I might say. It's not only unusual day because this road is open, but it's a bit it's raining a bit over here, which is something very unusual in the desert, which is nice. If you look ahead, you can really touch Egypt. Hi Egypt. I remember when I was young, we used to drive here to Eilat. There was no fence, the border was open. So far the asphalt is okay, not many potholes. Temperature outside is 19-20 degrees, which is excellent for riding. And soon over there you can see the mountains we are going to climb and get to the high beaches. Beautiful climb. I think we'll be reaching a viewpoint here. Let's see, should be on the left. Wow. The whole world and his wife is here.
The observatory was crowded, so we kept going until we found an uncrowded place. We stopped for to admire the view.
Okay, we had a nice stop here. Had a sandwich, drank something, and now we are ready to go. It's rather windy here. I don't know if you can feel the wind. There's an atmosphere of holiday. Well, baby, it is a holiday. It's Hanukkah. Wow. What a lovely playground over here. This is another motorcycle heaven. It's a pity though you cannot ride here all year. Would have been so nice. I think the last time I drove here was like we were in a car, something like 20 years ago. Gee, I'm getting old. I think every single motorcycle of the country is here today. But although there are so many people, it's not crowded, so it's really nice. Yeah, another viewpoint. Oh, it's too many people. I don't like it. Don't like it at all. Okay, another bunch of motorcycles on our way. The salute. The salute. Hi guys. This is what we do here when we meet each other on the way. The brotherhood of motorcyclists. I don't understand why do we have cars here. It's outrageous. Really. This is just amazing. This place looks like it was left as it was for millions of years. I'm not sure you can see it through the lens, but this is just beautiful. This part of the road is deserted. I guess less people are taking it. Most people will do only the short north part and cut to Mitzpe Ramon. Have to be careful, it's very narrow.
I guess that you can't call it an adventurous ride without some surprises on the way. Sure enough, at some point I found myself alone on the road. When I rode back to see what happened, I found out that Jerry fell into a ditch in some mysterious circumstances. Luckily, he was pulled out by some other riders unharmed.
Mount Sagi, the highest mountain of the road. The view from here is just amazing. I'm not sure you can appreciate it because of the wide angle. All the group in one piece so far. Looking good. Okay, let's have a short break. After a short visit to Mount Sagi, which means the tallest mountain, we're going back. I bet we are going to miss this twisty road. It's always nice to meet another motorcycle group. Soft music in your ears, open road. What else do you need? Maybe a little desert. just left road number 10, and we will soon find ourselves in 171 on the way to Mitzperamon, and from there it's something like 2 hours ride home on the highway. So I don't know, sun is going down, let's just enjoy the last moments of wilderness, whatever. It was a great day. Back to civilization. Wind is getting stronger. The road is getting boring. So I think that I will say goodbye to you folks. Hope you're okay. You will survive this COVID things until the vaccination kicks in, and hope to see you in the next episode. Ciao.